Smart ways to get leads on LinkedIn. Building a healthy pipeline of quality leads can be quite hard to achieve no matter where you are doing your marketing. But generating a good number of leads and referrals from any source doesn't have to be a daunting task, especially when you're doing it the right way. That is why we've decided to show you the best ways to generate lots of leads to your business on LinkedIn. And we're going to do so in this video, where you will learn how to find, target, and engage leads on the largest social platform for professionals. Use the LinkedIn search function to identify quality leads. You don't generate leads by simply getting likes and comments. You get leads by connecting with the right audience. On LinkedIn, this means targeting the members the right way, using the type of filters that will allow you to identify the best prospective individuals. These filters include job titles, company roles, industry, and locations. Identifying the best prospects through these attributes will help you to only target those professionals that are more likely to understand the benefits offered by your product, service, or business model. Use LinkedIn to connect with qualifying website visitors. One of the greatest ways to tell when a lead can become a qualifying customer is when you can identify them through their browsing behavior. Specifically, you should be looking for people that visit your website as a sign of leads interested in your business. Luckily, LinkedIn allows you to use a pixel code that you can add to your website, and you can use it to identify people that click through your website link from your profile or company page, which can help you to directly get in touch with these already qualifying leads. You can find this code and track your visitors from the See Who's Viewed My Profile section. Share educational content through your profile. A really good way to capture people's attention and convert them into leads is by offering them a reason to do business with you through educational content. Now, there is a difference between sharing educational content through your profile and using lead magnets to capture people's contact info. When you use a lead magnet, you're basically offering a piece of free information that can be given in exchange for an email address or phone number, whereas sharing educational content is all about creating educational posts that offer value to people. On LinkedIn, you can easily share educational content by using the Write an Article feature on the feed. And because this content is not going to be hidden behind an opt-in wall, anyone can access it. True qualifying leads will then flock to do business with you after seeing the value that your business has to offer. Share quality advice on groups. Groups can be an amazing source of leads if you know how to approach people that join. Just like on our previous point, a good way to qualify leads on groups is by offering them content with value and purpose. And in case of group members, this content has to be in the form of sound advice that responds to questions and needs posted by group members. Prepare a business intro for your profiles and company pages. A business introduction for your profiles and company pages can't simply be a warm greeting. It has to be a fully fledged explanation about what your company is, what it does, and what it offers. Think of it as the mission statement of your website, only on your profiles and pages. Clear, concise business intros can help you to land leads without much effort. Going premium with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great platform for business, no doubt about that. You can use it to maximize your chances of succeeding in your career, or to find prospective clients, or to find funding for that awesome new business project of yours, one that you are sure will make headlines someday soon. Everything that we just said is not praise that comes out of thin air, because you already saw that you can achieve all of that stuff by simply creating a LinkedIn account and doing your homework. But can you improve on that? Yeah, you totally can by going premium, which you can do by clicking on the Try Premium for Free link on your dashboard menu. Now, when you go premium, you will be able to access LinkedIn features the same way that you would be able to on your normal non-premium account, but with each one of them turned up to 11 and on turbo mode. As you can see here, you can select the different plan depending on what's your goal. The career plan, for example, will allow you to get hired and get ahead by getting in touch with hiring managers to see how you compare to other members and learn new skills to advance in your career. This plan is mostly for people looking to grow professionally on the platform. But we've established by now that your goal is to grow your business, and there's also a set of plans to help you along the way with that specifically. The business plan, for instance, is designed to help you grow and nurture your network by finding the right people, promoting your business, and learning new skills to enhance your business brand. You can select a premium plan on a free trial for a period of a month. And in the case of the business plan, it's going to be $47.99 a month after your free trial period expires. Features included with your business premium plan include 15 in-mail messages, business insights, online video courses, the ability to see who has viewed your profile, unlimited profile browsing, and career insights. The sales plan, on the other hand, is designed to help you unlock sales opportunities, finding leads and accounts in your target market, getting real-time insights for warm outreach, and to build closer business relationships based on trust with customers and prospects. It is $64.99 a month after your free trial, and its features include 20 in-mail messages, sales insights, advanced search with the Lead Builder tool, and lead recommendations, as well as saved leads, alongside the features offered by the business plan. Lastly, the hiring plan is designed to help you find and hire talent and great job candidates for your organization faster. With this plan, you will be able to contact top talent directly and build great relationships with prospective hires. The hiring plan is $99.50 a month after the trial expires and includes features such as 30 in-mail messages, advanced search functions, smart suggestions, integrated hiring, automatic candidate tracking, and recruiting-specific design, alongside the features offered by the sales plan. Once you have decided which premium plan best suits your needs, simply click on the Start My Free Month and try it out. Advertise on LinkedIn. One of the things that makes LinkedIn an awesomely unique social media platform is its targeted approach of making itself useful for a very specific audience. This audience being made up of professionals and business managers from all locations and demographics. This is especially good news for marketers. And while it might be true that organic reach on LinkedIn is amazing as it already is, there is also a very large degree of truth to the fact that paid advertising can play a huge part on widening your reach on the platform. The good news is that LinkedIn offers its own native advertising solutions. That said, by advertising on LinkedIn, you will be able to reach your ideal customers on the largest professional network on the planet. This is because advertising on LinkedIn works in a unique way that can help businesses of all sizes to achieve their goals. For starters, advertising on LinkedIn gives marketers access to what is perhaps the most targeted audience of any place on the internet, with over 500 million active professionals using the platform, and you can target them by attributes such as job title and industry, among many others. LinkedIn's advertising network is very practical, allowing you to create easy and effective ads. And whether your goal is to generate leads, create brand awareness, or drive sales, LinkedIn ads can help you. The LinkedIn advertising network is also efficient at helping you to control your budget and costs because it allows you really flexible pricing options, allowing you to get started on any budget and to stop your ads at any time. You can easily create LinkedIn ads in a few minutes, and you have a nice variety of ad types to reach your prospects wherever they are and wherever they go without being intrusive. Sponsored content ads, for example, can help you to boost your content across all devices, so you can promote your company updates to a very targeted audience on desktop, mobile phones, and tablets with a responsive design on the most viewed professional newsfeed. Sponsored in-mail ads, on the other hand, will allow you to deliver personalized efforts directly to people's LinkedIn inboxes, which has been found to drive more conversions than email marketing. Text ads are a simpler advertising solution for LinkedIn members because it allows them to start generating leads in mere minutes, as creating a text ad only requires adding a compelling headline, a description, and a small 50 by 50 image. This easy setup is what will allow you to get your leads faster than you can imagine. LinkedIn ads have been designed with any budget and goal in mind. For instance, the LinkedIn ad network will allow you to bid for your targeted audience on an auction basis, which means that you can bid against other advertisers to reach your target audience. The good news is that you can choose your own cost per click or cost per 1,000 impressions to only compete with advertisers on an even budget, and you will be able to control your budget, bids, and schedules. Are you ready to create your own LinkedIn ads? Simply go to the Work tab on your LinkedIn account dashboard and select Advertise. Then, click on the Create Ad button on the next page. From then on, you will be able to select your ad type, customize your adverts, and launch your campaign. Marketing solutions. LinkedIn is a great platform when it comes to nurturing a very important marketing factor known as outreach. Outreach is the marketing practice of looking for individuals and organizations that can be interested in what a marketer or business has to offer, be it a product, a service, or business idea. Doing marketing outreach on social media has become commonplace because social networking platforms make it easier for people and companies to reach people where they are most likely to hang out the most. And social media offers marketers the benefit of narrowing lead qualifying criteria thanks to targeted placements such as groups and company pages. And because you are using LinkedIn for outreach, it might be a little easier to find the right prospects and clients simply because you already know what people are looking for. Yet, this organic approach to outreach has its own inherent limitations, and LinkedIn offers you the right type of marketing solutions that will help you to avoid being hindered by limitations. And what we mean by this is that LinkedIn gives you access to the right tools that will help you to easily direct your marketing to whom matters the most, so you can reach your ideal customers right on the largest professional network in the world. These marketing solutions will allow you to build your brand, to raise awareness about it, and to generate leads the right way on LinkedIn. With several marketing options available at your disposal that include paid advertising and company pages that can help you to take your marketing efforts to a whole new level. Sponsored content, for example, can help you to boost your content and show the very best version of it to the world's largest professional audience on any device. Sponsored content solutions will allow you to use comprehensive targeting options to reach the exact type of audience that your business needs through native advertising, which will in turn help you to build meaningful relationships with your prospects. Another direct marketing solution offered by LinkedIn includes in-mail advertising, which is all about reaching the people that are most likely to support your business with valuable content, right in their LinkedIn email inboxes. Using in-mail solutions will help you to easily send personalized messages to your prospects. This type of correspondence has helped many businesses to drive conversions by reaching others right where they are the most engaged. Other solutions include dynamic social ads that will allow you to drive relevant responses with ads that correspond to the activity and profiles of the members of your target audience, sending highly personalized copy and dynamically generated advert imagery to LinkedIn members. Advertising offered by LinkedIn Marketing Solutions also includes display ads that will help you to reach your target audience through accurate professional targeting technology. These display ads are highly visible and are specifically placed on high-traffic areas on the LinkedIn platform only, and they operate on a fraud-monitored environment to ensure maximum brand safety. Lastly, text ads are also supported by the LinkedIn Marketing Solutions platform, which gives members eager to try out advertising options a way to stay within a tight budget and at the same time attract new customers to the business using LinkedIn's fail-safe pay-per-click advertising platform. They are designed to drive traffic and generate quality leads, and you can pay for them on either a click or impression basis. Start leveraging the power of LinkedIn's marketing solutions today.